Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the groups of German consonants? Do write your reviews in the comments section. In this tutorial part, I will continue with the groups of German consonants. Now we can have not only double consonants groups but also triple consonants occurring together, like in the case of S, C and H, which will have the sh pronunciation in German. Now the sh sound can be heard in every English word starting or having S and H together, like in the examples show or ash, and the sh sound can be heard in German words with SC and H in the beginning or at the end of words, like in the examples Schule, which is a school, or fish, which is a fish. Then we have the double consonants group S and H together, which will also have the sh sound, and this sound will again occur in every English word with S and H coming together, as in the examples show or ash once again, and the sh sound will come in a German word show, which has been taken from the English noun show, not the English verb show. And the show refers to any TV show or any other performance in the cinema or the theater or a puppet show, etc. Then we have the double consonant group with S and P together, which will have the sp pronunciation. Now the sp pronunciation we do not hear in English words, as SP together will have just the sp sound in English words. However, in German words, the sp sound can be heard when the S and the P occur at the beginning of words, as in the examples Sprache, which is language, or Sport, which is sports. However, do note that when S and P come together in a German word which has been taken from the English language, as in the example here, spa, the sp sound is kept and it's not pronounced as spa, only spa. Also, otherwise, when S and P come together inside German words, not at the beginning, then the sp sound is kept, as in the example here, aspirin. Moving on, we also have the double consonants group with S and T, which are pronounced as st in German. Now S and T together will have the sound of st in English words only, never st. So st can be heard in German words starting with S and T, as in the examples Stuhl, which is a chair, or Straße, which is a street. However, other than that, when S and T come together inside the German words or at the end of German words, then the st sound is kept. As in the examples Kasten, which is a box, or Ost, which is the direction east. And last of all, we have the double consonants group Te and Ha occurring together. Te and Ha in English words will have the sound the, but in German will always have the sound of T. And in every German word, even if that word has been taken from English language, you will hear the T sound. So it will not be theater, but theater. And it will not be Athens, but Athene, which is the capital of Greece. And before ending this part, I would like to remind you that there's also the certain situation of one consonant occurring twice in a German word together. So, for example, we can have a word in German like Mann, which means man, and here the occurrence of N twice and together is again an example of a double consonant group. And whenever one consonant occurs together with itself, it will shorten the pronunciation of the vowel that comes before it. So it is not man, but man. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 3 of this tutorial. Thank you.